Keeping the love alive and passionate means you want it to last forever. If you're in a relationship and want to make it work, it's worth putting some thoughts into action so you could take the next step to make your girlfriend love you more. Here are 16 ways to get a woman to love you forever. Please subscribe to our channel before we begin. Now let's start. 1. Be yourself. You don't have to pretend to be someone you are not, because when the truth eventually comes out, your woman will not be happy. In fact, you want her to love you, and not someone you're pretending to be. So, simply be open and honest, appreciate who you are, be confident, and don't aim to please others. 2. Show her real appreciation. Instead of focusing only on appearance or giving compliments for the obvious things, try paying attention to her strengths, compliment her on things she is most proud of. Also, don't forget to appreciate simple things she does for you by saying thanks for doing that for me, or thanks for always being there for me. After a while, you will develop the appreciation habit. 3. Be kind to her. Just as you offer a smile and hold the door open for a stranger, you must also remember to develop this habit in your relationship. Try doing simple things like patiently listening to her, avoiding an angry reply, or apologizing for the nasty things you said. Your kind words and actions will bring out kindness in your girlfriend and will make her love you even more. 4. Respect her. Respect in a relationship means upholding the basic right that every person has to make their own choices and feel safe in their own daily lives. Hence, be that person who'll value her feelings and needs, talk to her honestly, build her up, compromise, and support her interests. 5. Give her the gift of understanding. When you think she's feeling down or upset, listen to her, put yourself in her shoes, and offer support rather than trivializing her feelings. 6. Make time for fun. In your busy lives, having fun together is essential to keep the glow going in your relationship. Talk about what each of you finds fun and try new things. You can visit new places, discover things together, embark on a memorable adventure, or simply realize any of your relationship goals. 7. Give her freedom. You don't have to be together every day. Although she is your woman, you still don't have the right to control her in any way. Give her the freedom to be alone, to spend time with her family, encourage her to hang out with her good influence friends, and respect her time when she's at work. 8. Be faithful and trustworthy. A lady will love you more if you continue to believe in her and do the things that will also make her continue to believe in you. So don't just trust her but also keep her trust you. Be a man of your words and keep your promises, don't lie to her, keep your eyes only to her, be honest, and be authentic. I know this will be difficult for most men. 9. Be her support system. Every lady needs someone she can turn to when things do not go her way or even when things go right. Be that guy, who will be there for her when she needs a companion, ask what she needs, be a good listener, encourage her to pursue her passions, and offer your shoulder to cry on when she's in pain. 10. Be romantic. This doesn't necessarily mean you need to spend lots of money just to please your woman. Doing little things like, make her favorite meal, buy her favorite chocolate, bring her flowers, give her your jacket when she's cold, carry her bag, leave her sweet notes, or do something for her without her asking you to do it. Those simple things will mean so much to her. 11. Accept her flaws. Loving someone means accepting the flaws of your significant other. Be that guy who'll adore her makeup-free face, accept her irrationalities, understand all her complaints, and whatever imperfection she has. 12. Make her laugh. A lady's smile and laugh is a sign that you're doing right. Humor makes things comfortable for her. Your jollity can make her happy and have a great time with you. So, if you're going to add the ability to make your lady laugh, make sure to use circumstances around you to say something funny. You can also tease her, and tell funny stories. 13. Learn to love things and people important to her. Learn to value those things and people she treasures the most. If she loves to stay in a coffee shop and read books, be with her if possible. If she wants to spend time with her longtime friends, hang out with them and take time to know them personally, because aside from you, her friends are also her source of happiness. 14. Listen to her and value her. And that doesn't mean just listen with your ears, but listen with your heart and full attention. Now, I'm not saying that you don't already listen to your sweetheart, but just imagine her delight when she notices you putting down your phone and giving her your full attention instead of that half-assed. Women like to be listened to. 15. Keep your promises. A gentleman is a man of his words. This idiom is best explaining what you should do if you want to keep her by your side forever. Trust is the foundation of a healthy relationship. If you can't do something, never promise her. 16. Put God first. If you're a believer, one thing to consider as a goal in a relationship is to keep God first. If your lady sees God in your heart and let Him be the center of your relationship, what else could she ask for? Thus, make a commitment to place Him first in your life and in your relationship, serve and give as He leads you, trust His promises, and enjoy the freedom that comes from trusting Him. What other things can we do to get a woman love us forever? Please leave your comment below, like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification to be the first to receive our educative videos. Thank you.